not done yet.
And the latest in home trends. So check us out and see for yourself. Overstock.com for quality home
And the elephant. Forget about these cute little rabbits.
When did this rock home become a circus?
The Fear Fight season 1 continues Sunday. Relationship status is good.
Look at all the ocean. Look at the rocks and details.
On June 27, 2011, almost 2 years after Samuel's body was found,
I know I'm innocent. I know there's a God. I know he's a miracle worker.
Zachary Littleton went on trial for the murder.
And when the judge told us this, he was not charged with the death of the baby. Florida statutes require there to be a viable fetus, and Samira's baby was not that far along.
Samuel's family and the prosecutor worried there was no hard evidence linking Littleton to the murder.
I was nervous during trial. I just didn't want him to be able to get away. The case was circumstantial. There was no confession. There was no really any direct evidence.
Littleton appeared almost cocky during the trial. He never took the stand.
Zachary Littleton's demeanor was confident, maybe on the edge of arrogant.
He kept a little grin on his face the whole time. He never showed no fear, none of that.
But NCIS's cell tower analysis and Littleton's lies would catch up with him.
NCIS's work on the cell tower information helped destroy Zachary Littleton's alibi.
At the trial, Prosecutor Jensen presented more incriminating evidence found on Littleton's computer.
At the end of September, there were some searches on Zachary Littleton's computer for things like abortion clinics. On the day Samira went missing, Zachary Littleton was actually doing searches
Say hi, Mr. Voldemort.
for how to speed up human decomposition. He was feeling boxed in terms of, what do I do with my girlfriend that's pregnant and my wife coming?
Littleton says the investigators got it all wrong. For the first time, he's telling CBS News his version of the events. He says he lied about being at his apartment, packing up the night of the murder.
I told him that because I don't want to have anything to do with their investigation.
Singing in the rain.
He was with Samira that night.
We talked and we had sex. And I told her we can spend the night, but it's so ain't gonna happen no more. We're not gonna be intimate like this anymore. We didn't have to argue. We didn't have to fight. She knew that my wife was coming. After we hung out for a few hours, she decided, we should go get something to eat. I said, where you want to go this time of night? She said, Waffle House open 24 hours.
During that drive, he says the conversation became heated.
She became angry and stopped the car and asked me what is it about her I don't like. She told me to get out her car.
And he tells us that was the last time he saw her.
I don't know what happened.